Hey everyone, Tim with P&K, and I'm here to talk about a new feature that we have for the AutoConnect 60D deck that goes on the 1 Series and 2 Series tractors. You might be able to tell already, if you've already been looking at some videos, already been looking at the AutoConnect decks. This feature is an option, it is not standard, and you can tell normally this here would be green, the ramp would be green. This is the new option for the 60Ds only, and we call it the load and goes. So what this feature does is it's going to allow you to, basically when you disconnect the deck, you're going to be able to unhook your bucket and use your loader to hook up your deck, and then you're able to move it wherever you like. You can actually lift it up and you can clean the deck, do some maintenance, take blades off, those type of things. So, and we'll show you that here in just a little bit. Okay, well let's see what we can do when we install the new load and go drive over ramps on the AutoConnect 60D deck. So let's take the deck off and see what we can do. First, you're going to get on the tractor. We're going to make sure it's in 4-wheel drive. We're going to move the height adjustment knob to install. Then we're going to lower the deck all the way down. We're going to adjust our anti-scalp rollers and loosen that so that those have freedom to move and allows that deck to set on the ground. And the main thing I want you to remember is make sure you are on a flat surface. It really needs to be flat, and the best is in the grass. That's when it works the best. You've got your anti-scalp rollers adjusted out, 4-wheel drive, height adjustment in the right setting, and we've loosened up our latches underneath. You've got one on each side. So we jump on and we'll take it off. Okay, so let's just back over this deck nice and slow. That's the reason you engage the 4-wheel drives. It can grip those, it can grip the deck, and it'll just come right over. So we're moving over the deck nice and slow. Doesn't have to be fast. Come off the deck. We don't have any movement on the deck. So now that we're off the deck, we're going to take we don't have our bucket on, so we're just going to fold our bucket latches over, and we're going to try to drive up. And what we're seeing here is we're lining up the bucket, where you would hook up your bucket to the yellow hooks on the deck. And as you can see that I'm kind of getting in there. I'm looking to the left and the right side. I can see more of the left side a little bit better. So I'm kind of guiding that one in. Now that I've got it in the hook, I'm just going to fold that, just basically pull my lever up, and the deck will come up, as you can see, and then and I fold it back, and then there you go. You can see that all I got to do now is latch up, and we're good to go. Well, hopefully you can see why installing the new load and go brackets on your new 60D deck would be beneficial to you. So come and see your P&K sales guys for pricing and availability, and they'll get you fixed up.